Hi, pre-K families. So, this story isn't related to the packets or anything, but I know how much some of my friends really love their Frozen and Elsa and Anna and all their friends. So, today I can read Spirits of Nature. Right. There were once 4 spirits of nature. The spirits have not been seen for many years. Elsa's power is growing. She blasts her magic. It wakes the spirits. The trolls tell Elsa the spirits are upset. Elsa must face the spirits. She will go to the enchanted forest. Wow, it sounds like Elsa's being very brave there to do something that might be a little scary. Anna and Elsa go north. Their friends go too. Wow, this looks like kind of a dangerous journey along these tall cliffs. They find the enchanted forest behind a wall of mist. The 4 spirits are wind, fire, water, and earth. The wind spirit is playful and friendly. Oh, look how it's twirling all those leaves around. Elsa? Anna? Sorry, friend, sometimes forget which one is which. The fire spirit is small but mighty. That means he's very strong, even though he's little in size. The wind spirit swirls around the friends. They fly into the air. The fire spirit runs through the forest. Elsa chases its fire with her power. No, I hope those poor animals and those people are okay. Earth giants are big and powerful. The water spirit is swift, like a horse. Swift just means really fast. Earth giants sleep by the river. Oh, can you find them? Yeah, here's one. Can you see his head and the rest of its body and his hands? There's the other one. You see his head right there? And he looks like he's sitting down, nice and peaceful. Anna and Olaf float by. They stay very quiet. Uh-oh, why do you think they're staying so quiet? Oh yeah, maybe they don't want to wake the earth giants. I wonder what the earth giants would do if they woke them up. The water spirit swims in the dark sea. Elsa meets the water spirit. Elsa faced the spirits. There will be peace throughout the land. Wow, so Elsa, okay, now I know this is Elsa. So Elsa and her friends, they were very brave and went on a long journey. At the end of the story, the land is peaceful. Maybe think of something you can do at home that can be nice and peaceful for you with your family. All right, bye pre-K friends.